What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today we have a couple packages right here by my side. We got 1, 2, 3 packages right here. 2 of them I managed to get on a restock, and 1 of them I actually managed to get for retail. Yeah, we got some unboxing to do, obviously. Yeah, let's just get straight into the video. I don't want to make this video too long. Alright, so obviously this one came from somewhere else. We'll save that for last. We're gonna open these 2 bad boys right here first, and obviously you guys see the tape, so you know where these came from. Straight from Nike. And I actually managed to get both of these. It was a surprise restock, like I said. It happened like on Tuesday, Wednesday, I forgot what day these dropped again. It was a restock on a Nike sneaker app. I got a notification saying that I got this exclusive offer, and it was for these 2 pairs right here. So, you know, that was a blessing right there. So open one up right there. You guys see that? You guys see that? Right there, there's one. Let me open up the other one real quick. I lost my knife. I need to get another knife. Damn. We got gift card. I don't know why Nike does this. They give you this gift card with nothing in it. It literally says no value until loaded. So they give you a gift card for you to load. I don't understand the point of that. But we have 1 box right here, and then here's the other box. Got the receipt. So we got 2 boxes right here. What do you guys think it is? You know, your regular Jordan 1 box. Let's open these ones first. Now when I got these for this colorway right here, they actually sold out my size, so I had to get a 9.5. But let's open these bad boys. You can see the laces right there. Bam. Damn, yo, that Jordan 1 smell never gets old. It's like that nice strong glue smell. All right, bam. We have the first pair right here. We got the Jordan 1. They call these the Blue Moons. So obviously you got your Jordan 1 in this blue, black, and white colorway, and this in the back, and this Nike swoosh is actually suede. So it's some pretty nice suede. You can see the colors change, kinda. I hope you guys can see that. But it's some nice ass suede they used on this. The leather, it's alright. Not the best, but the suede, they did a nice job with the suede. It's nice, it's nice. And obviously, it comes with some blue extra laces right there. And yeah, the Jordan 1 Blue Moons. Got these off of Restock for retail. These are 9.5 though. So yeah, that's that. And then on in the other box, I did get this my size 9. Take the lid off, and here we go. Where is it? Bam. We also have, let me get them out the box. We also have the green pair. These are called the clay greens. And man, the suede on this pack is very nice. It's like they focused more on the suede than the leather. The leather quality is alright. It's not the best, but this suede is like butter. Like look at that. You can like freaking write on it. Look at that suede. You can see that it changes colors. Like bam, bam, bam. Like look at that. That is butter right there. But yeah, this is the green colorway of the Jordan 1. Green, like this dark forest green, white, and black. You can't go wrong. Got both of these off of Restock. So we got the green and blue pack right here. And in my opinion, I think the yellow colorway is the best one. But the yellow and the red colorway are like Europe exclusive. And then the blue and the green ones are, they only came out in the US. Blue and green, can't go wrong with Jordan 1s. But that's the surprise restock that I actually got lucky on. And now time to get to the last and final box right here, which I'm actually pretty excited to see. These came out, I believe, Tuesday. And yeah, I actually tried to get these on a Nike sneaker app. I took an L, but then later on, East Bay still has some sizes. I tried to add a size 9, which is my size, to my cart, but it kept saying sold out. And then I tried a size 8.5, and yeah, I got lucky. I went through. So let's take a look at these bad boys right here. Got a receipt, and we have the box right here. And it did come with this like special Jordan box right here, as you guys can see. Has like posters, blueprints, posters of old Jordans, pictures and stuff. I did get an 8.5 in these, which should be fine. And I haven't seen these in person at all. So let's check these bad boys out. Oh, we got black tissue paper. Can you guys see that? You can kind of see that. All right, let me take them out the box. And here we have it. We have the Jordan 11 lows, the Derek Jeter Jordans. Focus. There you go. The Jordan 11 low Derek Jeters. I managed to cop these for retail. Wow. Now, first off, I'm usually not a fan of Jordan 11 lows. The only Jordan 11 lows that I'm actually a fan of are those green snakeskin ones. But other than that, Jordan 11 lows are really not my type. I prefer the high top ones. But when I saw pictures of these, I thought these were fire. That blue suede on these bad boys is just butter. If it can focus, focus, focus. You're not gonna focus, dog. There we go, kinda. Hold up. This suede is butter. It like changes color as well. But yeah, when I saw pictures of these, I'm a fan. I'm a fan of the color. I don't know. These Jordan 11s just are nice. Nice and simple, you know. Blue suede all up on the upper. You got a white midsole. And then your bottoms has this like white, milky, translucent outsole. Why is it not focusing? Focus on the shoe. You can see that Jumpman right there, and you got your carbon fiber right there. And this blue suede right here is just butter, and it's very nice. You got wax laces as well, and it also comes with extra laces. You get these rope laces, and on the right shoe it actually says respect right here with the number 2, because you know Derek Jeter was number 2. And the thing about these is that, you know, I'm not a Yankees fan. That's the thing. No, I think these are dope. And then it comes with these plastic shoe trees, which is actually a dope touch. Instead of like your regular cardboard shoe trees that it usually comes with, this is actually plastic, so you can actually save these. And then your insole is weird. Your insole, obviously, it says respect with the 2 right there, and like it's like this smooth finish. I don't know, it's like squishy as well. It's kind of like smooth leather, I guess you would call this. What would you call this? Because usually, you know how your insoles are? Like, for example, the Jordan 1s. I'm gonna take them out if I can. Okay, I can't take them out. But you know how your regular insoles, it's that like, I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about, honestly. You probably don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. I don't know. You guys are probably like, what the fuck? Yeah, man, got these for retail, and these have been restocking here and there. If you have a Twitter, you know, follow one of the sneaker pages and you'll get notified when they restock. But these has been restocking here and there. And yeah, man, these are just dope. They're clean in my opinion. You got that embroidered number 2 in the back, obviously for Derek Jeter. And you got that mini Jumpman right there. And this whole shoe is just a blue suede. These shoes are sauce. And I've been hearing that this quality is pretty much the same quality as those Jordan 11, those Pinnacle, are they the Pinnacle? Pinnacle gray suedes. If you guys remember, those dropped. People are saying they're the same quality, except obviously this is a low. But yeah, man, let me know if you guys cop these right here. I believe these came out Tuesday. 200 was retail price, and I don't know, I'm a fan of this shoe. They're dope, they're clean. It has like that luxury vibes. And let me know if you guys got the notification as well for the restock for the blue moons and the clay greens. I got lucky enough, I got the notification. Cop these both for retail. You can't complain about getting shoes for retail. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos like this in the future, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.